Good day everyone. Today, we will discuss the Darwinian Revolution, one of the most important events in the history of science. The Darwinian Revolution refers to the major change in scientific thinking about the origin of life. After the ideas of Charles Darwin were introduced in the 19th century, this theory explained that living things change over the time, which was very different from the beliefs of people before. Before this revolution, most of the people believed in a special creation, the idea that all living things were created by a divine being exactly as they are today. According to this belief, species do not change and have always existed in the same form. This idea was supported by the religion and the tradition of many years. Because of this, people not question how life developed. However, scientists began to notice fossils and differences between animals in different places. These discoveries made them think that the Earth might be very old and that living things could change over time. This started the scientific thinking that later led to the Darwinian Revolution.
Before Charles Darwin made his theory, other scientists already had ideas that helped him. One of them was Charles Lyell, a geologist who said that the Earth changes slowly over a very long time. His idea showed that the Earth is millions of years old, not just a few thousand years old. This was important because evolution needs a long time to happen. Another scientist who helped the idea of evolution was Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. He believed that living things can change by using or not using certain body parts. Although some of these ideas were not correct, he helped people think that the species are not permanent. Darwin also worked with Alfred Russel Wallace, who had a similar ideas, discovered natural selection at the same time as Darwin. Because of this, Darwin decided to publish his work so their ideas could be shared the world.
Charles Darwin developed his ideas during his journey on the ship HMS Beagle. He traveled for 5 years to different parts of the world to study plants, animals, and fossils. During this trip, he carefully observed nature and wrote notes about what he saw. One of the most important places he visited was the Galapagos Islands. There, he saw birds called finches that had different beak shapes. Some beaks were strong, some were long, and some were small. He noticed that the shape of the beak depended on the kind of food the bird ate. This made him that animals changed to survive in their environment. Darwin also studied fossils that looked like modern animals but were not exactly the same. His observations made him believe that living things change slowly over many generations. His journey on the HMS Beagle played a very important role in the Darwinian Revolution.
Theory of Evolution and Natural Selection. In 1859, Darwin published his famous book on the origin of species. In this book, he explained the theory of evolution, which says that living things change over time. The main idea of his theory is called natural selection. Natural selection means organisms with better traits have a higher chance of surviving and producing. For example, animals that are faster, stronger, or better at finding food are more likely to live longer. These good traits are passed to their offspring over generations. This process can create new species. Darwin's theory explained why there are many kinds of living things on Earth. It also explained how animals and plants correlated to each other, and idea changed biology forever.